Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another restoration and cleaning project. This time I'm going to be doing it with some Airmaxes. These Airmaxes right here. These are actually not mine, these are my brother's, but I will be doing him a favor and cleaning them for him. So you can see, very dirty. What I'm planning on doing is giving a clean, full wash, and then taking this razor and giving them a shave, just so I can get the suede back down to a good level. Alright, so here we go. First, you're going to need the sauce. I actually explained how to make this in a different video. So you need that. You need your water. I actually put a little bit of soap in here already. Then you need your brushes. I got these from Walmart. And your toothbrush. Let's go. Alright, so first off, you want to use the hard bristle brush on the soles and the midsoles of the shoe. Before you start a project, make sure you can use a place you can clean up easily and stuff that won't stain. Alright, so that's done. Now I'm going to do the upper. I'm going to start the upper with this medium hard bristle on this brush. Now I'm going to take this toothbrush and I'm going to clean out the clear part of the midsole down here. I'll also be cleaning the eyelets and the swooshes with the brush. So these shoes are now done and they're looking a lot better, but they are really wet. So I'm actually going to put them out in the sun or outside for them to dry. So now they're all completely dry, and now I'm going to shave down the suede that's kind of long with this razor here. Make sure that your razors are clean, because if you don't, especially if you're cleaning a lighter color shoe, you will get stains on your shoes. Alright, so that's done. Now I'm going to take this here. This is a suede cleaner, and actually this is really great because it makes the suede get back to the natural softness that it's supposed to have. So first you take the brush side, you rub it all over the shoe. That gets all the extra suede that you just cleaned off with the razor off the shoe. Then to finalize it, you take this soft side, I'm not really sure what these are, what you would call this. Make a back and forth motion across the shoe, and it gets the suede back to being very supple and soft. All right, the shoe is now completely done. Here you go, you can see it. It's very clean now, very soft. The suede is back to feeling natural and new. You can see the difference here. This is what the shoe used to look like. You can see that it had a lot of extra suede on it and that the color was leaving. So that is your finished product. This is how you would clean a suede shoe. Be very careful when you clean suede, because suede does tend to fade, especially the lighter colors, red also. So make sure that when you do clean your shoe, you clean the entire thing at once. And then you can also do dyes and things like that to get it back to the color. But make sure you practice on shoes that aren't super expensive first. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my Air Max cleaning suede video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment below things you'd like to see happening on my channel. Different shoes you'd like to see me review or clean or anything like that. Any interesting ideas you might have. And we're gonna have some new videos coming up later with some more cleaning, some more unboxing, some more lacing videos, outfit ideas, different things like that coming up in later videos. So stay tuned for more videos and more content that might be coming your way. And I'll see you guys next time.